Hey guys, it's Brian Bodie here. The shout out of the day is Anvin for all you gamers. So go subscribe to his channel. Really good guy. Minecraft. So the gun of the day is I'm gonna go grab it. The Triad, yeah. But you know it. Good gun. Shoots really far. It shot probably 60 feet. But today I'm going to do a test scale of the Raven, how far it shoots. My last gun of the day. So right now I'm just gonna set it over here. Raven. We start right here. Move the mark right. I'm gonna start right here, and I'm going to shoot my gun. Jammed, oh no, it didn't. Sorry guys, it's really horrible. I got it jammed. Put it back in there. There you go. Let's go check it out. I'm just estimating my tape measure wouldn't go that far. First one laying right here is about 49, about 50. Next one is probably about like 55. Go all the way over here. Next one is about like 65. I know my distance really well. The other 65, basically estimating. And there's a pretty good shot right here. It was an angle shot, about 70. Go. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up the Triad dart real quick. That's it today. Hope you enjoyed. I will be doing some more test range and some more reviews later on. So click that like button if you like this video and the subscribe button. And don't forget to subscribe to Anvin. Really good guy. Bye. Brian Bodie here.